Hello everybody, welcome to Coastal Crafts.
Hello and welcome back to Coastal Crafts. So I have bits of wool floating around, so I thought I would show you what I've been creating today. I've been using the pom-pom maker that I picked up from Hobbycraft. Well, I've been using the smallest one of the pom-pom maker. So this one is it's like the 1-inch one, and using it to make lots and lots and lots of pom-poms so that I could create my own pom-pom wreath. And I absolutely love this. It's so cute. But I saw, I think it was Brummy Mummy, her video. She does lots of shopping videos, and she went into Home Sense, and there was a pom-pom wreath for sale for Easter for $12.99, and I thought, oh, I think I quite like that. That would look nice hanging in my house. So I've been working on it today, sitting out in the sunshine, as you do when you're on isolation, creating all these pom-poms. And I'll have a quick think of how many I made. So I did 6 of each colour first, and then I did an extra 4 of each colour, so that makes 10 of each colour, and then I think an extra 1 or 2 of each. So we looked at about 11 or 12 of each colour. So probably, you know, we're looking at about 48 pom-poms to make it. It's quite a few, but it was all good fun. And of course, get to give it a bit of a trim at the end to get all the little bits and pieces out. So I'll just bring the camera back a bit so you can have a better look at the whole thing. And I'm going to insert some clips of me making it if you are interested in having a go yourself. So all you need is various colours of wool. So obviously we're going for spring colours. I had this nice blue and pink and purple, and this white sparkly one, which was just from Poundland, but it's nearly been used up. You don't need a pom-pom maker, because I'm sure if you remember from being a small child that you just need to cut out 2 circles with holes in the middle and just wind it around the circles if you haven't got a pom-pom maker. Obviously pom-pom makers are a lot quicker to get it done. I used a wreath base, which I did cover with a bit of wool just to soften it up, because I had these wood wreath bases, and I'll show you in some of the clips. But you could also just cut some stiff cardboard in a wreath shape, and then of course some hot glue to stick it all together. So yeah, I love my wreath, and stay tuned to see how I put that together, and let me know, what have you been crafting today? Speak to you soon.